Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. In today's episode, Let's Talk Creps, we are going to be talking about the Air Max 90 Bacon release from 2004. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment and subscribe. I upload every Saturday, and with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about the shoe before we get into it, as I always do. This was the sort of first ever collaboration that Nike done with a chap called Dave Ortiz, and if you don't know who he is, he's a very cool guy. He basically sort of founded the first concept store in New York called Dave's Quality Meats. That sort of was made back in 2003, and within sort of like the first year of it being operational, Nike approached Dave to design a shoe. Dave, being a very functional person who sort of chose function over fashion, chose the Air Max 90 silhouette as the base model for his concept. And it's a really cool story. There's lots of it on YouTube. Dave talks about it a lot, but basically he was running out of time very quickly on the design, and he hadn't got anything in store, and he needed to sort of give Nike something because that's going to pull the idea from him entirely. And then he basically ordered a bacon, egg and cheese sandwich from one of the stores out in New York, and realised that everyone likes bacon and it could be a really cool shoe. So he went to his local deli, got 3 packets of bacon, looked through it with his mate, and sort of like a different, had like a sort of a breakthrough basically, and came up with the shoe that we have now and has become the absolute cult classic and the icon of the Air Max 90 silhouette in general. So yeah, before I fanboy anymore, let's get into this a bit more. So comes in your classic Nike box. You've got the label there, which the colourway for this is sail, sheen, straw and medium brown. This is the UK 11. And yeah, there's nothing really else to say more about the box. It's just your classic Nike box. So let's open it up, and there the shoes are themselves. Now these are an absolute grail. They always have been, and I was very happy when I picked these up, especially because I've got some of the additional extras, which not a lot of people have, I don't think, anymore. So I don't know if they're from the original release back in DQM's store or not, but I've also got, can't know if you can see it, it's a little pig there, which there's a display model that I found a while back. I'll put a picture on the screen, but there's a lot of these little pigs around in the display model, so I don't know if that's part of it or not. But we also have the support bacon wristband here as well, and then these are your classic arch supports that most of the classic good old Nikes come with. So yeah, let's get into the shoe a little bit more as well whilst we're here. So as you can sort of see, you've got this nice sort of dark red leather here onto the pink swoosh as well, and the suede. The materials on these are phenomenal. I know people always say it, but you can't match the quality of the old style Nikes compared to the newer ones. The re-release of these, I've got them as well, and the padding in the tongue, for example, this leather, it's not even close. The padding in the tongue, all this is just so plush in comparison, and it screams quality. And I mean, like I say, these are an old shoe now from 2004, and they're still kicking about quite happily. These have been worn as well. You've got your dark brown outsole here as well, which goes around the air surround as well, and the actual air bubble in these is a pink as well, going with the bacon theme. One thing that a lot of people don't pick up on these, and I saw Dave did it in one of his videos before, when you put the shoes together like this, it actually looks like a ration of bacon, and I think that's such a cool little hidden trick in there that that's such a cool shoe. So much history behind them, and in the fear of making this video too long, and before I carry on talking about these overly, we will jump to some OnFoot. So yeah, I'll see you there. Right, okay, I just want to add, during the process of filming that OnFoot, I've completely killed my OGs. They are absolutely fucked. So if anyone knows any good sneaker sole replacers out there, hit me up, because I just butchered the OGs, man. Oh man, even watching it back is so painful. Like, how did I not notice they had turned to mush under my feet? Oh man, like, just yeah, it's hard to see. And the van just drove past. This outro is going terrible, but if you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and I am going to be looking on eBay for a size 11 Bacon 2021 release to replace the soles on these. But you know, that is the shoe game. You run the risk buying the older ones. I'm still attracted to them. I love the old ones. The uppers are beautiful. It's just that the midsole's bound to crumble at some point, so you know, we run that risk. But thanks for watching anyway, and I'll see you in the next one.